how to join our wholesaler network, and how to order. Step 1. Simply create account. Admin normally active your account within 24 hours. You then can log in to see price. Step 2. Create order. Log in and order as normal shopping cart. Once order is confirmed or paid, then credit card is authorized but no charge to your account yet. Step 3. Wait for our respond. Sales will contact you for delivery cost. Invoice sent separately within 2 or 3 business working day. Step 4. Shipping and delivery. Once we received your delivery and shipping cost, we ship your order next day, or within 1 to 2 business day. Join our boutique wholesaler network. No fee to join us, no obligation to buy, just to create the account.